Jai Devi Sita, Jai Shri Ram. Again in this part, I am going to talk about the thesis research. So here, in the words of professor, some known professor from science community, PhD degree is a passport to a research career. The PhD career often influences a research scholar to make or to break in a scientific career. Here one reaches the frontier of knowledge and begins in earnest the lifelong task of learning how to do research. As pointed out by Bisley and Jones, during PhD course, ideally one learns how to pick a research problem, how to carry out it. How to extract new information from the results and how to publish the findings to the scientific community. Thesis or PhD research inherently involves those aspects of subjects that cannot be actually learned from textbooks or from lecture courses. It is the point where the values, tradition, and styles of science are transmitted from one generation to another. Now we know this topic about research methods and research methodology. Is there any difference between research method and research methodology? Here we will see the answer of this. So research methods are the various procedures, schemes and algorithms used in research. All the methods used by researchers during a research study are termed as research methods. They are essentially planned, scientific and value neutral. They include theoretical procedures, experimental studies, numerical schemes, statistical approaches, etc. Research methods help us collect samples, data and find a solution to a problem. Particularly, scientific research methods call for explanation based on collect facts, measurement and observation, and not on reasoning alone. They accept only those explanations which can be verified by experiments. And now we will see the research about research methodology. It is a systematic way to solve a problem. It is a science of studying how research is to be carried out. Essentially, the processes by which researchers go about their work of describing, explaining and predicting phenomena are called research methodology. It is also defined as the study of method by which knowledge is gained. Its aim to give the work plan of research. Now we will see the importance of research methodology in research study. It is necessary for a researcher to design a methodology for the problem chosen. One should note that even if the method considered in two problems are same, the methodology may be different. It is important for the researchers to know not only the research methods necessary for the research undertaken but also the methodology. For example, a researcher not only needs to acquire the knowledge how to calculate mean, variance and distribution function for a set of data, how to find a solution of physical system, described by mathematical model, and how to determine the roots of an algebraic equation. Also, how to apply a particular method, but also need to know what is the order of accuracy of the result of a method, which is a suitable method for the chosen problem, and what is the efficiency of the chosen method, and so on. Consideration of these aspects constitutes a research methodology.